accidentally did that.
You have another one? Why? Now this gonna take a long time, you guys, since Bad Baby did another one like a stupid head.
Did another one.
Yeah, another video.
This is part 2, guys. There.
Stop! I told you no more mouthwash.
That was just because I didn't brush my teeth this morning.
Alright, let's go. Let's go, you guys. So, Bad Baby, bring the speaker with you. Okay. Come on, Bad Baby. Bad Baby.
I'm coming. Stop.
Guys, so we got our fart noises right here. And then we got our speaker right there.
I'm going to go first.
Alright, here, Bad Baby. You gotta take the speaker with you. Okay. No, not the phone.
This is.
No, not this. I'm gonna turn it on because you gotta go farther. Alright. So don't let them see the speaker. Don't put the speaker in your butt nose.
It can't fit in there.
Like, it's gonna, like, let me try. And it's gonna go right there. Oh.
No, they ain't gonna hear it.
Yes, they will.
Oh.
Cover it. Oh. They're not cover it. Go.
Don't do it. Hi guys.
Possesses green sides at the 2-car spot, and he can mix his game and find a way to score on the interior.
Tell him that's the way. I'm not drunk. Oh!
Jadlyn!
That's JJ.
Hey!
JJ doing that.
Jadlyn!
Hi!
Quit!
Looking at.
Damn!
You look the first time I know she's I'm not doing it. I know killing a farts for that long. I'm not doing it. Guys, we got a lot of reactions. We got a lot of reactions. You did a good job, baby. We got a lot of reactions off of that. We got a whole bunch of reactions.
Hey, the cat don't
Now
do
we
it.
gonna prank Mama.
It's pooping everywhere. It's pooping. Guys, so that was the end of the video.
No, it's not. It's not in the video. We're gonna get our mama next.
Mama's not here.
She's coming right now. It's 5 o'clock. But I'm gonna do it because she knows that I can fart for that long. She already knows you can't do that.
One time I would do it.
Or do you want to prank people that's walking by? Want to go outside and prank people that's walking by?
No, Uncle Robert don't get mad at us.
No, we don't secretly do it.
No, it's on speaker.
Yeah, but we can turn it down where people can only hear it.
No, that's how Uncle Robert if we do.
That was a good one too.
That one was gonna be a good one for me. What do you do that, you fool? No, it's gonna come.
All right, do you want to do it or no?
No,
All right, so dude, we have to do something else all the way till Mama gets back.
damn, hook it. Hook it off.
I am. Where is my... Okay, it's off.
Why you turn on my food?
So that was our end of the video. Leave a thumbs up. We're gonna watch this video to see if we did good, and that's it.